Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Day to My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today is another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays. And on Wait a Minute Wednesdays, we stuff many challenges with a small amount of money. Using 2 dice, the 6-sided dice tells us which challenge to stuff, 1 through 6, and the 5-sided dice tells us how much to give it. And so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're working with $25 today. And I'm trying out my new little setup here and see how I like it. But I wanted to have like my little dice tray in the middle and we work around it. Let's see how this goes. So we got challenge 6 for 5. And challenge 6 is our empty envelope. Before I add a new challenge, let me take this out. Before I add a new challenge, I wanted to get some of the older ones complete. So whatever challenge 6 get is going to be donated to another challenge. All right, challenge 5 for 2. Challenge 6 for 4. So that's 4. Challenge 5 for 4. Well, what's going on? 4 and 5, the ones who showed up to play? That's what it seemed like. Or am I just rolling bad? Let's see. All right, challenge 3 for 2. And then this one, we just write in whatever we roll to keep track. I'll roll separate again. Challenge 6 for 3. 1, 2, 3. Challenge 4 for 1. Challenge 4 for 1. So I don't even think I added that. Okay. So we got 1 and 1. We have 1 more here. Okay. And did I put $1? Yes. So it looks like the challenges on my right came in to play. Let's see if we can get anybody from the left to make it do what it do. Okay. 3 for 5. Oh, we only have 3 left, and that was my fault because I was supposed to check. I had a garage sale yesterday, so I do have some extra. So let me grab $2 to pay this up. Actually, I'll grab a 5. Okay, so we're done with our dice. Challenge 1 I'm gonna leave out because right now we're working on challenge 1 to be completed. And so we're gonna donate challenge 6, which I believe was the winner anyway, with, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 for challenge 1. All right. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for 5. And 4 for 4. And 5 for 3. Nothing for 2. Let me see how many we have in roll up. So that's 4. So the lowest number here is 5. Let me see if we can get 1 color in here. And if there's any left, we'll give this $1 more so we can color in 1 today. So this one had $1 rollover. So we have a total of 6. I'm gonna go ahead and move my tray. So we can color in 3 stars. Every star here is $2. Okay, this one has been accounted for already. And this one, we had 6. And we do have a 6 right here. So I'm just going to use my dot marker. Okay, so over here, we need 15 to color in 1 feather. I think we had 12 and we need 3 here. And that's 15. So nothing for challenge 2. I was going to try to spread the love too. But no can do. And just to make sure, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so 2 more feathers. That's $30 more. And this one will be out of there. And I feel like if I didn't make the move of using the empty challenge to feed this one, this will be here till November. And it's been here since January. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out, returning. If you're new, thank you too. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Same with my oldies, but still goodies. Let me know that you've been here. Happy hump day, and I wish you a great remainder of the week so you can have a wonderful weekend. Bye, you guys.